Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Celina Swartz and today I am going to be making a super moist chocolate bundt cake and I'm going to top it off with a delicious chocolate glaze. First, please make sure to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new recipes, and let's get started on this cake. First, preheat your oven to 350. Add 1 box of Devil's Food Cake mix. It makes it a lot easier to just take the bag out. Then add 1 4-ounce box of chocolate instant pudding. Now add 3 eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water, and then mix everything together. Use a spatula to scrape any extra batter. Now make sure to spray your pan with baking spray. Now pour the mixture into the pan. You're going to smooth out the mixture with a spatula and then tap the pan on your counter a few times to make sure everything comes out evenly. Now place it in the oven and bake for about 30 minutes or until the cake is set and a tester comes out clean. Now while the cake is baking, let's start on the chocolate glaze. First, add 1 16-ounce container of heavy whipping cream, then stir the cream with a spatula for a little. Now add 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips and mix together until they are completely melted. Now after 30 minutes, the cake is finally done. It's time to take it out of the oven and let it cool for about 10 minutes. Now it's time to flip the cake. Now pour the chocolate glaze on top of the cake. You can also have fun with it and top it off with some white chocolate chips. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a big thumbs up and please make sure to subscribe. You're not going to want to miss this next video. It's going to be on a green chili stew. Hope to see you all then, and thanks again for watching.